chase?
Yeah, wing.
Okay, which one is it?
Yeah, this one.
Right there. Okay, let's see what we got going. And you said it's the bottom handle?
Yeah, the bottom.
Okay.
Yeah, it's not the head both.
Okay, let's see. Make sure it's not a smart lock.
No.
It is a smart lock. Okay. You see that little pinhole right there?
Okay.
That means you cannot pick it. So we'll got to find another way in it. Let's see here. Okay, let's see. Excuse me, I'm gonna need to get right here. There we go. How about that, man?
All right. How much is that?
Yeah, it's $100.
All right. So go here. We are moving now too.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Where y'all going?
I'm going to deploy.
Where at?
Europe.
Europe. Okay, cool. My buddy just deployed to Baghdad.
Baghdad.
Mhm.
Okay. Yeah.
That's me.
Okay.